So this is the exchange B1 which we are updating since the 3 months, and currently net worth is 43 BTC. And yes, it's a very extremely high profitable account, and you can connect with your API key and the same trade will be placed in your account. So today we are again going through all the history dates since the beginning to the current date. So yes, we will start from the first last trade was in XRP, and date is been mentioned here. Yesterday we have placed with the order ID, and yes, we will go through towards all the trades. We will scroll down easily, so you can compare these all the trades with our Excel sheet, and you can compare the profit and loss. We will go it slowly, and we will update all the trades one by one. Buy sell, buy sell. There are definitely some of the profitable trades, some of the loss trades. Even see, this is the loss trades, this is the profit trades. So it's a very transparent. Trading doesn't mean that you always 100% you make profit, but you always try with a higher accuracy and proper risk and reward. You can make consistent profit with that. So we are scrolling down all the trades. Yes, there are plenty of trades, and yes, it is uploading, loading. The account is started on 17 February. Then we go through towards the date, and once we go to reach to that level, there will be no any history will be updated. So this video you can pause, you can compare with our Excel sheet data, and yes, it will be the very transparent profit and loss, each and every detail. So in this account, if you have a high balance, if you are giving us the 1 million USD, you can expect in a month 300 to 400% gain. So you can easily make per day 20 to 25,000 USD profit very easily. And we are not taking any high leverage. We will trade with the 1x leverage. We will trade with in a spot only, and we can make the very consistent amount of profit. If you want to take the risk, we can maximum take up to a leverage of 10x. But if you don't want to take risk in your account with your capital, we will trade with 1x leverage only, and we can make a consistent profit with that. And yes, now no more data. See, currently we have traded, no more data, and yes, all the data has been done, and the first trade has been placed on 17 February 2021. So all the history we have scrolled down. You can pause the videos, you can compare, and you can verify with our Excel sheet performance. So this is the same account, complete Excel sheet, and all the trades, profit and loss has been mentioned here, and we will see the completely, we will verify the total profit reach. It was the old Excel sheet, so we will update with the new profit for 33.4 BTC within 3 months. So if we calculate the per day profit per day, 33.3 in 3 months, so monthly we are getting 1.1, and if we divide it by 30, we are getting 0.37 BTC profit. And as per the current rate of the 56,000, we are making $20,000 profit. Account has started with the 0.5 million only, and with the 0.5 million capital, if you are making daily $20,000 profit, it's a quite huge. It's quite huge, and it's a very safe also. As crypto market, as per see our accuracy in our trades, we are making a very good amount of profit by God grace. And yes, alhamdulillah, and God willing, and alhamdulillah, we will keep on making this type of profit in the future also. And thanks God for that. You can ask to connect your account, and yes, you can make the same amount of profit in your account as well.